Hello, my name is Davinder Jolly. I'm a student learning Python from CQS, and this is my project, that is a program which cuts or copies data from one file and pastes it onto another file. So first we start by taking user input, which is we ask him which file he wants to cut or copy data from. Then we ask him if he wants to cut that data or copy it. Then we ask him where should we start selecting the data and where should we stop. And lastly, we ask him if he wants to paste the data into another file, and if he wants to paste it, then which file should we paste it in. After that, we start by opening the file, and we store all the content of the file into a variable, that is a string, and we use slicing on that string to get the substring, that is the data we wanted to select. So after that, we use an if-else statement to put the cut or copy functionality. If the user has input cut, then we close the file. We use the replace functionality of the string to remove the substring and replace it with a blank space. Then we open the file with the W+ mode, that basically overrides it and it makes it an empty file, and we put all the data back in with the substring removed from it or cut out from it. And if we want to copy, then we have basically done it already in our substring variable. And if the user wants to paste it into another file, that is if user input P is yes, then we open that file with a write mode, and we write the substring onto it, and then we close that file, and yeah, we are basically done. Thanks for watching.